Back at it again. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. We're back. We'll be here today. We'll be here tomorrow. We'll be here the next day. We'll be here the next day. I don't know about on weekends. I might start trying to stream again, or might start trying to stream just like some bar replay stuff. Maybe like a little back testing. I don't know, but for now, definitely on weekdays every day. Like the consistency has been there, and I've been loving it, bro. Like let's just take a look at my trade. I'm on a channel. Let's just take a look at this. 21 hours, 1 day ago. This was 4 days ago because we had the weekend. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I was in Hawaii. Yeah. Then I was in Hawaii. When did I go to Hawaii? I don't know, but there was 2 weeks. There was a week I was in Hawaii, so I couldn't trade. That was like Christmas weekend, so we already had like Monday off of trading, anyways. But today. Let's look at what we have today. We just had 2 FOMC members speak. We just had industrial production come out. Capacity utilization rate. We have a bunch of small news, like little news, for USD. And all these news came out bullish. All those news came out bullish. So we got to be careful today. Today we have a lot of news. At 8 o'clock we have business inventories. NAHB housing market index, because I don't even know what it is. So let's take a peek at what that is. Rates the relative level of current and future single family home sales. A reading above 50 indicates a favorable outlook on home sales, below indicates a negative outlook. Okay. So above 50 means we're like positive or like bullish, I guess. Below 50 means we're bearish. I'm not sure. I don't think it really will impact the market that much, the S&P ski, but definitely got to know what that is if you're trading. Like when I started out, I didn't even. So like where I learned most of my information is from TJR Trades, and I would watch his videos on like news, and he would just have his red folder news up. He wouldn't have any of these other like little news throughout the day. And yeah, if you're trading like USD, JPY, it's not really gonna affect it too much. But if you're just trading USD stock market, it'll affect it more than that USD JPY. So definitely would need to have the news up, and I would recommend just like knowing what that news is. I didn't know what FOMC was. I didn't even know like what. I knew it was like a big news event, but I didn't know the significance of it and why it's so volatile at that time. Like, when's the next FOMC? I think it's the 29th or 30th. Yeah, 31st we have FOMC. That'll be a fun one. I think I'm just gonna be live all this day, but I don't want to trade. I'm just gonna put out like some practice trades, just like where I think price could go. Like, ooh, put a trade here, but like none of that's I'm actually gonna trade, because I think it's fun. I think it would be fun just to see FOMC, and I'm definitely ready for this day. So that's 2 weeks from today. Wednesday today is just kind of today, and the rest of the week is just like news, news, news. So definitely be careful today. A little bit choppy. And then let's just look at my shorts consistency. Boom, 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 boom. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this is all just one day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this is all just one day. 5 posts minimum. I feel like that's a good sign. And then look at here. We got some like I would say motivational video every day, or just like not really motivational. That's like what's on my mind. And like I said, I don't really care if you see my channel. Like if you see my channel, that's great. That's lovely. That's lovely. But that's obviously not my main goal. But enough of the chit chat. Let's look at what the market's doing today. See on SPY, we've broken structure on the 1 hourly. Definitely bearish on the 1 hour. But on QQQ, we're still holding below this. We're still holding above this low. Kind of broke here, and then this is just a little bit too choppy for me to read, honestly. And same on SPY. We were chopping, and then we had a gap down, filled it, went lower, had a gap down, filled it, possibly go lower. We have sell side liquidity resting below this, here, here, and here. So I bounce up, but that's not what we're looking to play. You know, we're gonna be pretty patient today. We're definitely waiting. That's not today. Definitely waiting for this 8 o'clock little new stuff. I don't think it'll affect the market too much, but you know, you always gotta be careful, especially where I'm at. And let's look at. I didn't really read that. Okay. Is it better now? Is it? Can you hear it better? Is that better, Brad? Dow's down. Spot. Shit. You said it's really quiet though. Is that better? It's not looking like it's too loud, anyways. What's good, Slaw Bunnies? Good to see you here. Damn, bro. Wait. Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? I'm not gonna lie, I got scammed off of Facebook, bro. I bought some like shitty mic for too much, but I might get a different one. Um, This was the one I was looking at, but this man's is in like Wyoming. Like this is like a whole 2 hour. This would be a whole like 2 hour drive, but like that shit looks nice, and it comes with an arm. Tesla, Amazon, and SPY are looking very weak. And Apple, Nvidia's looking to be ahead of the pack. I don't see like I don't see too much downside in Nvidia, but for SPY we're definitely looking very weak. Like I was saying earlier, in case you didn't hear, but we do have a lot of news today, so we're gonna be cautious of that. Trading today, are we reviewing the charts? Low key, I'm gonna stay on longer today. Yesterday, I only like probably gonna be here for 5 hours or so. Yesterday, I was just getting off early because I didn't wake up on time yesterday. Usually, I go to the gym before I wake up before I trade. And yesterday, I just woke up late. Markets should be open right now. Yeah, as we're opening right now. Let's have a good day, fellas. Have a great day. Damn. Damn. Keep it real, why would you lie to me? SPY, about to take out these lows. Could possibly rally higher. But for now, I'm definitely bearish. Definitely looking for some bearish confirmation. Not gonna be too aggressive today. We're gonna sit back, read the markets, and then after, we're gonna stay on. We're just gonna be in bar replay pretty much. That's the plan. Today's gonna be a long stream. You know, I could do this all day. I can do this all day every day, and that's kind of the plan going forward. Is streaming for longer. I think it'd be worth it. Say like um, streaming to like market closes maybe. I'm gonna get into this once I'm established in the middle of joining the army. Once I'm in, I'll have a lot of time to sit down and actually understand training. Hey, good shit. Join the army. Good shit, bro. Um, yeah, I'm lucky that I can just do this every day, and I don't have any pressure to have a job right now. My mom's kind of on my ass about everything. I'm very surface level when it comes to comprehension with this topic. Yeah, um, I would say I'm kind of surface level too, but every day I try to learn and get better, and that's what I've been doing. Today, um, I'm kind of expecting a range day. Um, Nothing crazy for me, honestly. Is my mic okay? Because Brad was saying that it wasn't. I'm looking for a new camera. Or I'm looking for a camera. So for my Instagram and YouTube. Okay, bet. Yeah, I'm still trading on my demo account. I probably will be for another month or two at least. Maybe even 3 months, bro. Like, I'm in no hurry to switch over to my live account. I'm in no hurry at all. Like, I can stay on this demo thing until I actually understand stuff, you know? Oh, we're sweeping these lows? Oh, shoot, I'm gonna hop in the Discord. Hopping in the Discord. I don't like this chart right now. I'm definitely gonna wait till 8 to put on a trade. Today for sure. Give you my all, I still would. See the Tesla dumping again off open. I'm still like, look at this. Gap down, filled. Gap down, almost filled. Gap down, filled. Gap up, filled. Gap up, filled. Keep it a road and no. Tesla's really bearish. Same with Amazon, Meta, all these, including Nvidia. Damn, look at that candle on Nvidia at open. So yeah, we would like to see uh this fair value gap, which I don't really care about, but it's just like a little something to note that we rejected off of and respected. I'm gonna put on this thing real quick. my all, but I still would. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. I don't have like big. I don't have. I obviously have goals and stuff, but I don't have. I don't have the big picture, like the big vision, fully visualized yet. But hey, man, we'll just see where this. We'll see where it takes us, bro. Like, we've already posted 176 videos in what, like a month and a half, maybe a month. Posting every day, 6 videos, 1 live stream. That's 7 videos every day. If you're starting to trade, bro, if you're starting to trade, don't trade with your actual money. Don't trade with your actual money when you start. Trade with a demo account. Trade with fake money. Trade with practice money. I promise you. I promise you, bro. I promise you. You don't need to put your actual money in there. Yeah, you're going to want to, but have a demo account and simply just trade off of that demo account. And then I would read this book, The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. Grab this book, read this book, understand your emotions and how they're tied to your money, you know? Don't try to go too fast like I did in the start and I just lost money. Like, don't do that. That's not smart. But at the time I thought that I could make money. But no, if you actually want to do this and if you're actually serious, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take at least 2 years. At least probably like 2 to 5 years. 2 to 5 whole years of showing up every day and being prepared, having screen time, learning more about the markets. It's going to take a long time. So don't start with your real money. That's all I gotta say. We just swept these lows on SPY. About to rally higher, possibly. Still bearish. I want to check out the hikeys. Whoa, what was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, that was the volume thing. Alright, that's still good. And I'm gonna be honest, like, I need to be putting in more effort myself. Like, I'm not satisfied. Like, I need to be looking at the charts a lot more. I need to be looking at them throughout the day, through the whole day. And I need to be, like, looking at what we've done in the past. And I just need to keep going and just, like, get more experience. Oh, man. My legs are fried. Yeah, I think if we, let's see if we can break this low. Rally lower. Not a trade I'll take. Not a trade I'll put on, but just like, let's look. Yeah, let's slow down here. We're definitely bearish. Could easily extend lower. But I'm looking for maybe a retracement back into this key level that we rejected off earlier. What is it as well? It's kind of a fair value gap, liquidity void. Yeah, we're about to head lower. Volume lower and lower. Dump off of open. Not something I'm playing, but sellers are stepping up. Not enough buyers. Like Brad was saying yesterday, you gotta think about it like an auction. Like an auction. People fighting over what they think the price is. You know? Yerd. It's like a look at Tespi. Teski. I'm a jet ski. Kinda. Going higher a little bit. Amazon with the Thumbski. Meta. Oh my gosh. See, like, imagine you just show up to the market every day and just gamble Nvidia off the open. Like every time this, or most of the time, this girl just rips. Not so much here. Yeah, not a lot here either. Keep it real out, you lied to me. Oh my gosh. Oopsies. Do you think that's possible? Like people say it can't be done, you can't be profitable with low capital, and these YouTube traders are real fake life and all. You can definitely be profitable with low capital. I feel like the term profitable is kind of misunderstood, you know? You don't have to be making 100K a year to be profitable. Being profitable means over the course of the year, you're going to make money. Over the course of the year, whether that be $200, $100, $1,000, you don't have to be making 100K, 600K, like shit, even $1 million to be profitable. And I don't think it is possible to have a small account. Most of the YouTubers I don't like with like I posted a video earlier on my Instagram and YouTube. I don't really love social media and trading because the best way to make money is to tell people how to make money, you know? That's the best way to make money. And that's what a lot of people do. They charge people for a course and they're making probably like $1 million a month for yourself. Like $1 million a month just off their course. That's crazy. Although you might see a reversal here. That's what we've seen a lot, but I could see us continuing lower. Like I think we're due for a big red day, but I feel like we have too much news today for that. What's good, Jonah? How you doing today, Jonah? Bro, we need Chris in this hoe. Chicago Chris, sorry. Yeah, 8 o'clock we got two little small news events, and then at 12, we have a lot of little news that came out today. Look at all this. That's kind of a lot. So, what am I expecting us to be? Maybe a little bit choppy and probably not one-sided today. But today's gonna be a fantastic day. We're gonna be on live for like pretty much the whole day. Should we do like a market open to market close stream? Yeah, me too. I'm expecting a little bit of push down, but like honestly, with all the new stuff coming out today, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I'm being patient. Probably gonna be waiting for like at least 30 minutes. You know. We got more news dropping in 9 minutes, so expect that to do something. Honestly, in my opinion. But I feel great, y'all. Today's gonna be a good day. Whether we lose or win, we're gonna learn, and then I feel like we should go into bar replay today. I'm gonna add something real quick. I'm gonna add EMA. I've been researching how the U.S. 30-year yield affects the market, and basically they move inversely. So above 4.4, you see the market has consistently dropped, and it's at 4.3% right now. Yeah, Janae, that's what I've been trying to get better at is just understanding more economic side of the market and like these factors fundamentally that isn't exactly price action but still affects the market, you know? Because I think it's definitely important to know like how do interest rates affect the stock market? You know, they don't directly drive price up or down, but it's important to know those things. Like generally, if you're gonna have lower interest rates, you're gonna have more growth in the economy and more growth in the stock market. If you have higher interest rates, less people are gonna buy, and then prices are likely to go down. Like I was talking about yesterday, the book I'm reading is called The Lords of Easy Money. Dang. Is it? It's not even 8 yet. Yeah, The Lords of Easy Money. I've been reading this book, and it's definitely been helpful for me to understand like what the FOMC is. That's what it's kind of talking about. FOMC was created in 1913. 110 years ago, about. I already stepped up with that candle. We got like some tiny news dropping at 8, so 8 o'clock my time, which is 5 minutes, 10 a.m. Eastern. Keep it real while we loud. NQ and ES show signs of dropping for today for me. Jonah, do you use TradingView? Because like my ES and NQ are delayed, and I thought I bought the right thing to make it like updated, but I guess it wasn't. Um, I use to paper trade. I use Webull. I just use paper trade, free demo. I just used the free demo to paper trade. I know pretty much everywhere has paper trading, but Webull is what I use. Because I trade options. I know a lot of people trade forex. A lot of people love futures, and that's kind of the thing, you know. Which I'm not opposed to like dig into, but I need to get more educated. See, is it, yeah, I get real time for this stuff. G GU. I think sellers are gonna step up here and really might get a flush. On ES and NQ, the broker at the end says CME. Yours says something different. I see. Do you subscribe to like what type of trading view account you have? Cause I bought like the $30 a month, so I have like the thing where I can have 10 indicators, stuff like that, and then I bought, I think I bought CME. I don't know. I bought like some other subscription that's like $10 a month. Bro, day before yesterday, I visited your YouTube, and now I'm gonna be with you on this journey. I respect your heart. Hey, bro, I appreciate that. I appreciate that, bro. It's definitely encouraging to see like other people like here in the chat and stuff. To give like different perspectives on the market and stuff like that. Also, hopefully, we can just have like an actual like good time trading, you know. Mike, what's good, Mike, bro? I use the free version because I only use VWAP and RSA. Other than that, I just go straight to the market structure, so I don't really need to get the paid version. Is your ES and NQ, is that like if you go like this, see how it says real time? For ES it says for me delayed. Oh yeah, that news just dropped. All right. Some bullish news. It says delayed on mine, but it just looks different on mine. Though overall, it seems like it. Because yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like this ES is gonna be delayed by 10 minutes, I believe. Like so, it's saying 7:51. Said 8:01. Same with NQ. But like SPY, you see how it says 8:01. So NQ and ES are delayed by 10 minutes for me. So like if I was trying to trade NQ or ES, like that's gonna be delayed. But ES and SPY are the same thing. I'm pretty sure. One is just like a futures contract. I don't know. I would love a retest of this. Yeah, I did. I did buy the data, Mike. I bought like some. I thought I bought the right thing. I guess I didn't. I don't want to pull that up right now, honestly. Let me pull it up over here. So I bought the better version, the $40 one. I get New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, ARCA, Nasdaq Gibbs, OTC, U.S. Stock Market Bundle. Yeah, right now, I don't know if the link is clickable or not. News on Treasury yields from Market Watch. SPY's about to retest my key level I have marked out. I thought for sure we would reverse at least right when that news dropped. That's what I was like, waiting for. Now we just gotta let the market react how it wants to. Like for me, none of this is tradable. Like this is not. It's not tradable for me. I'll assume it's not for most people too. Retail is all you needed to know. Oh, I will pull it up here. Sell into resistance. Yeah. Like we just spoke about the our daily opening price, retesting that. Here's our monthly opening price right here. What happened at 6:30?
Yo,
I was talking about my time. We had core retail and retail sales came out bullish.
what's
That
up?
could be why we're seeing this. I just don't love how all this economic news we're getting, and all of it is pretty much saying that we're doing good. That's all it's telling us really. How did the market react? I got us sold off a little bit, consolidated, and now we're pushing back up. Oh my god, bro. Nazi sold off hard, and then now we're maybe making the higher low, a lower high. Sorry. Look at this thing. So I would expect maybe SPY to follow. Kind of push right into my key level. I appreciate you, Mike. I'm going to take a sell right here. My stop's just going to be above this key level target. Target's going to be below these lows. But let's kind of like how we retested that level, but kind of want to wait for a little bit more. Like, yeah, right here would be a good entry. No buyers are really stepping up over here. Kind of just staying a little bit weak. I don't know what just happened. I think we're gonna fall lower. Like what happened though? Kind of breaking above. him up, I still would. $473.22. Kind of is key level. Now sellers are starting to pick up. I'm gonna turn up. I'll be right back. I gotta turn up the heat in this. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. That's what we're looking for. If we hit our target, I wouldn't be opposed to adding a contract. Because for me, if we break below that, we're looking pretty bearish. Thanks, bro. I don't like the buyer stepping back up. I don't like this candle. Especially that I'm gonna sell. Usually sell-offs happen pretty fast. My target's just below these lows. 470, 470.93. Yeah, like just there. There we go. So we're starting to pick up. Oh, it's looking nice. Keep it on real now. Hopefully, bro. My target's 470.95. 470.95 is my target. I'm just looking to get in here, but I wouldn't mind holding and just adding, because if we break below then I'm definitely bearish. Yeah, because if we break below here, we could see sellers still really kick in, you know. See what contracts are at. All right. Hope we break through this. If not, we get stopped out. I'm gonna tighten my stop just a little bit. Just risking less on the position. Always good to do. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. Hopefully we can hit our take profit. A lot of these trades I've had where I've been in a trade like this where it's just like starts going my way, it ends up kind of like just reversing on me. So hopefully we could break through, hit my target. Like if we can break this below these lows to my target, I feel like we could rip lower. Like wouldn't mind extending my target if we're able to break through, but uh, hopefully we don't get reversed. which is exactly what's happening right now. Looking so great on the 5 minute. Yeah. Do you have anything else? I don't have any other news events until 12, so nothing should be crazy impacting this position here. $470.96 downside, 475.2 upside. Let me use your thing. Yeah, might get stopped out here. Kind of retesting my level. Yo, my stops at 472.33. So we'll see. We're kind of just retesting that key level I have. Yeah, I'm not mad. I wouldn't be mad about this trade if we lost. Like I feel like I'm able to find like good areas where price just ends up swinging, and like I'm able to find those areas. For me, it's about like predicting what's happening at those areas better, you know? AMD, or is that Amazon? No, AMD. It's kind of rejecting off of VWAP here. Hopefully we can step up here. We'll see though. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Because if we break below this low, we have more room to go lower. Like we want to just stop here, you know. Yeah, I'm liking this trade better. My take profit here. I'm gonna move it down to 470.5. See what happens. Hopefully we can break lower here. Keep it real. Why would you lie to me? Keep it real. Why would you lie? I'm not loving this. Little action, we're good, but we're good. We're good. We're still holding below that key level, which is what I like. Yeah, it is 830. But like, if we break above this key level, above this high, then I know I'm for sure wrong, and we might end up going lower after that. But if we still stay below that, then I know for sure I'm probably not wrong. But let's see. You gotta give some time today. Are you still in it or booked? I'm still in this trade. If we hit our stop loss, then we're out. If we hit our take profit, then we're out. But yeah, I am liking this trade. I think we do stay below that, and guess we'll see. Time will tell, you know. Yeah. I gotta give it some time to breathe, time to do its thing, you know. Hey. Been sitting in Euro USD all day. Stream some on the Discord currently at 4050 USD. I'm gonna hop on the Discord. I'm in the live trading chat. No one's in there yet. I'm gonna unmute in that trading chat. We want to drop, break. I don't like this chat. It's like there's like a heart where I can't see this. Yeah, we're still holding up really nicely around here. Like for some reason, right here we're just holding up. And now we're pushing up. Back in that key level. That's the candle you don't want to see, you know? You're out. Yeah, I was saying, look, ain't looking the greatest right now. Might have rushed it. If if you haven't already, if you could drop a like on the stream, I would appreciate it. It would help me out. If you don't, then that's totally good. I can't force you to, but I would appreciate it.
I think as long as it stays below the level it's right now, it should be fine. But that is kind of
Yeah, we're entering that key level again. Not loving this, but we could possibly just be retesting it. The price action is towards the upside. Yeah, it's not a bad trade. It's still valid. It's still holding within that key level. It's just taking its time, you know. Can't rush it.
I think it's
You gotta
good.
take a step back. Oh.
The only thing I would say is that it can go up and
Hello?
fill in. Hello?
Oh, now I can hear you. I just put my headphones
Okay.
on. I didn't realize you were in here. But how you doing, bro?
Good. It's a good trade you have on. The only problem with this right here is that it's kind of like a tipping of it, so it could easily up as well. But the good thing is, if it's going down, it's probably going to drop down to 6.8. So I think it's a good trade. It's valid.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out, or possibly could get stopped out. So if I do, I do. If I don't, then I don't. Jonas, have you traded today? You said you're in Euro USD.
Yeah, I've been trading Euro USD, so I went long from the London Open. I did so on this live trading on the Discord.
I see.
Then we had some shorts from the top, got stopped out 2 times. I'm up for $4,000 roughly.
Nice, bro.
Currently in shorts just from the VWAP Euro USD. Hold my stop to break even. Worst case, I'm ending the day 4,000 profit.
Good stuff.
But the price action on Euro USD has been terrible. So
Yeah. I'm somehow still in this trade. Almost got stopped out there.
The trade is really solid. And like it starts trucking from that, it's probably going to go a little bit higher, but it's right there would probably be my end, like right at that monthly open. So 472.20,
I see.
472.50. My stop would probably be around 472.22.6.
Yeah, we keep on. You're ready to close my position. Still not completely invalid. Like hopefully we can break below here and then go lower. Like I guess if that happens, I could have waited for that retest of this zone, kind of swept these highs, and then could rally lower. But you never know. We could still break up above. But still a valid trade right now, and still very well could go in my direction. But I ain't too worried if I get stopped out. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Hopefully we can stay below that key level. Tesla's kind of chopping lower. Amazon is heading up the upside. What did AMD do? AMD did break off that VWAP. Now it's just retesting VWAP. Right here would be a great, in my position, great time to go short on AMD. Stop above here. Target down here. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, I think that would be a great position for AMD. Need to fill in these imbalances. But that's just me looking at AMD off of not seeing it and not trading AMD, so probably not that valid. And SPY somehow almost stopped me out, but we're still in this trade. Let's see what she does. Let's see what she does. If we somehow win this trade though, like that would be insane. Literally like a tick away from getting stopped out. Jonas just left. He left me. Yep. I'm gonna exit. Not an awful trade, but not a great one. Jonas is here. Um, Not the greatest price action today. Um, Very choppy. We took this trade. We rejected this key level very nicely. Came back in, retracing this key level. Let's look on the hourly. We're looking very bearish. We broke structure on the hourly. Thought that we were gonna head lower, and then look what happened. We came back in this key level, rejected, found an entry off the 1 minute, and then we entered, had a target pretty low, and then we ended up getting sopped out up here for the loss today. And now, of course, we're trying to head lower, which is probably what's gonna happen. We barely got stopped out, and then now we're gonna hit our take profit or something. I don't know. But I'm not gonna get wrapped up in this trade. It wasn't a bad trade. You know, you live and you learn. Gonna journal this up real quick. Remember, bro, always journal your stuff, especially if you're trying to grow. Like, always have that down. For me, I like writing it on paper. You can do it in like Google Doc, Google Drive, whatever you want. But for me, it works best if I do it on paper and pen. You know, I'm more of like a paper guy. Maybe not would have liked to see the 5 minute close lower. Yeah. Um, for me, I just tried to short this market. Didn't work out the greatest. Um, yeah, I don't think it was a bad trade though. Maybe we could have waited for a little more retracement here and maybe up into here, and then maybe we're gonna go lower. We kind of have an imbalance in here, and then we would have retraced straight into equilibrium and then headed lower. Like that could have been a better entry. I mean, for the most part, we're still kind of are staying below that key level, the key zone. A full trade. Put and lost today. Swept lows this morning. Retraced. Entered off of a key. Disappointed. .5 Risk to reward today. Alright. Just journaled that boy. Have it down in the log. So with the contract, I actually like bought one and then I sold one and then I bought another one. So that's why it was a little bit larger. I don't know, but it was minus 57 on the demo account. Kind of just want to go over why I entered again. Just so I have that. Hold up. So on the 15-minute, clearly broke structure, broke below these lows, and then we're at my key level I have zoned out. On the 1 minute, we broke below that pre-market, and then we went up and then we retested it, saw some rejection, and then we ended up entering, stopped just above this key level, and we ended up kind of rejecting off it a little bit, and then we kind of came back up, and then I got stopped out for that loss. We took like a $57 loss on the demo account. Not too worried. We'll be back tomorrow with a better trade, hopefully. But yeah, that's the trade I took today. We're still gonna be in here for sure. Like I'm gonna be on this. I'm thinking about just like extending the streams longer, you know. Just like being here the whole day. I don't got nowhere to be. Just be here on the charts. I still think we could see sellers step up. Yeah. Downside is on the way. You're reading my mind. I'm not gonna force another one. I'm just gonna kind of like. I'm just gonna kind of look. That kind of would be unfortunate because we got stopped out on this wick and now we're kind of heading lower. If I'm in a short position though, like the thing I like to see is it just immediately start going my way. Because I feel like selling happens a lot faster than buying happens. Look at that. Yeah. Right here wouldn't it be another bad area to sell? In my opinion. Yeah, but like realistically, if I'm on a live account, I'm gonna be trading once a day, and I like to take one trade a day. I mean, it doesn't hurt or excel me if I get in a trade. What's good, Eddie? How you doing? Good to see you here. Did you guessing you just traded today? Yeah, you are right. But like the entry would be like this entry would be off the same reason why I took the first trade. I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna look at it though. Like it, I wouldn't mind. Like it definitely doesn't look bad. Bro, that's tough. Um, did you trade on ES? I'm guessing. I guess you went long. You probably went long around here, maybe got stopped out, and then that's when it started to hit your take profit. But I took a short. I went short right here, like right around here, and then my stop was just above here, and I got like barely stopped out by this tick. But we're very choppy today. I think it's because the news. We had a lot of news today, so I think that is impacting it. Yeah, I only trade ES. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought you just traded ES. We almost took the same trade. So you went short too? Because I don't think it was invalid, but it's pretty choppy today, or so far today. pretty choppy so far. And now we're making a move to the upside. I want to get a better view. I went short at 18 candle, and that green candle's wicked me out. I saw and love this bebop, you know? See, now we're pushing up higher. We got stopped out. I took another one of those shorts. So you went short at the 8:18. I see. Let me pull up this people chart. You know, like this one. I remember my time using this chart. How do I fix this? See what AMD did. Yo, I was right. Now we're retesting that again. Tesla's moving up. Nvidia's moving up. Apple moving up. Slowly but surely. Yeah, we're kind of pushing up. We're pushing up a little bit. Dang. It has not felt like an hour and 45 minutes though. Since market open, or since I started streaming. Cause like, how long is the market open? 7:30 to 2 for me. It's like 6.5 hours, I think. Yeah, 6.5 hours. Uploaded a short yesterday and got 400 views quick, but no traffic to the channel. Bro, that's good. I would definitely. I think I saw it too. It looked good. Definitely, bro. Just like keep on posting. Just stay consistent. 'Cause, like, even if you look at mine. Like for me, I totally don't care about my views or likes or subscribers or followers. I don't really care about that. It's definitely is nice to see though, but that's not the priority. Like I don't really care about that. But like if we just go and look. Like most of my first shorts got like 0 views, 41 views, 26 views, 16, 18. And like the thing I've noticed with that is like a lot of those like gain traction after like 6 months or like 7 months of being up. Today's trade got me upset. Yeah, I would be mad, but like don't take it personally, you know? Like you took a trade, you got stopped out, and then it went straight to your take profit. Technically you weren't wrong, you just got faked out. And that's happened to me a lot, especially in the past. It's like you weren't necessarily wrong, but you just got faked out. And buyers are really ripping here. You told me to write down 473.22. I marked it out on my chart too. And we're just pushing up. Like this chart's a little. We're just stuck in this range. That's your target. Chicago Chris is chewing my ass because I didn't take another short. So at half now. Good shit. I thought you mainly traded. I thought you only traded NAS though. That's what I thought. Yeah, then we just broke out to the upside. Consolidated here, broke up. I do. I always have a long and short scenario before the market opened, and my short scenario worked 3 times. And long looks like it worked now. I just never execute. You're at even. 472.22 would be a good buys as well. To God, two good thing about today is that you picked a good target to engage. Yeah. I'm not discouraged by that trade, but it wasn't a bad trade. So it is what it is now. The good thing about okay, the good thing about this today is that you picked a good target to engage. I guess that's a good way to see it. Yeah, I think we could hit 473.22. Honestly. Just kept going. Yeah, I do like seeing ES better, honestly. I mean, it shows this we're kind of tapping into. I just wish my thing was updated to live. Let me check something, bro. Oh, I see. I should be getting this, right? CME group E-mini included. If I'm trying to look at NQ and ES, things like that, because I bought this because it does say it's like 10 minutes late. I'm pretty sure. Getting a bearish wedge, a little wedge, eh? That would make sense. be able to see ES. Let me look up Might get a bounce from your line there. Yeah. I'm gonna be right back. I'll be right back. Eddie, I'm about I'm about to put you on, bro. Get or like any of you guys, I'm about to put you guys on. Get a Ninja Creamy, bro. This thing is the greatest thing ever. Like I'm able to eat ice cream with like 50 grams of protein and like 300 calories. Like 300, 400 calories. It's absolutely insane. And like it actually it tastes great. Like it's better than most ice cream, honestly. And you get like a whole pint. I'm about to make some later. Can't wait for that. I kind of wanted to see like where I engaged when I took my trade. You know, I on the 5 minute, it was right here. Took the trade, rejection off my key level, headed lower, and then we finally broke through. Took 15 minutes. Can I see the name? That's the bounce you were talking about? This one? Oh, yeah. We kind of did bounce straight off that, I guess level I had marked out. It was the liquidity. It's this low I had marked out. See if we would sweep below, and we're kind of bouncing straight off that on the 1 minute. But it would be a okay play, or not really. Like this here, trade on Mike's level. It's all below here. It was more of a scalp play. Yeah, you said you were a scalper. Uh, Personally, like when I trade, I like to have not like intense. I like to do more like trades that could last the whole day, but not necessarily. I don't know. That's me personally. But I wouldn't mind switching over to ES. Uh, Creating a funded account, possibly getting funded. Like I think that could very well. But for me, I just don't know. I just don't know enough. I just don't know enough about like European markets. I just have to educate myself, I guess. Let's do the 5 minute. Right now, I kind of just want to go on over some replay. I don't really see anything. I already took my trade. I don't need to be in a trade right now, so. So perfect. This is right when market opens. We're opening right at that monthly opening price. We have very high volume from yesterday at this area. It's where we rejected off earlier. Um, to the 15 right here. 15 minute, we're still bullish. You should look into Forex funded accounts. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. FTMO, is that, because Mike was, or my boy was telling me about Apex funding. I honestly think that funded accounts might be a big move. Because think about it, bro. Like, you're less likely to be tied to that money emotionally because it's not necessarily like yours. You know? Does that make sense? So we just rejected VWAP. Now we're in a clear down trend. What you just said is I won't have a problem gambling investor money. Yeah, I guess you're right. But for me, what I think is like if it's my own money, I'm more inclined to be attached to it because like I actually worked for it, you know? But say someone else gives you like $20 as a gift, I'm less likely myself. I'm just talking about myself. You could be different. Like I'm less likely to be stingy with that money, if that makes sense. You know? Yeah, I looked into Apex after you mentioned it yesterday. Not sure I understand the rules for it. Just think FTMO and those look. Jonas, what broker do you use? Because right now I trade options. I use Webull. So pretty much you have an account. You can lose a maximum of $1,250 a day, and your profit target is 2,500. Onanda, Oanda. You're not attached to your money. You're down. Well, bro, I was attached to my money. That's why I got so. That's why I lost so much. Is because I was attached to it, and I didn't want to lose it, and I got. I got like emotionally unstable when I was in a losing trade, so then I added to it. So I, because I thought if I added to it, then I wouldn't lose as much. Yeah, FTMO looks the best of what I've seen. Apex looked good, but it didn't look like as easy to read. You know, FTMO, like just looking that up, it looked pretty easy to read off of. Yeah. I feel like I need to be putting in more work and effort. Honestly, I don't know what's wrong with my chart. I don't think this is. Yeah, my chart wasn't loading. Point 0.5 risk, I would say. Yeah, right now I'm trying to treat this demo account like it's my actual account. Like my risk has been there. I just definitely need to be studying the charts more and like stop making excuses and like actually like try to try to get better and study them. Like right now, I don't really see any trade opportunities really. I think sellers could step up, but for now, I think I'm just gonna head into bar replay and just like kind of just watch. Start with here. I'll like start with here. So right here is when market opens. We just We just pumped up. We're above these highs. Hourly, we're in a downtrend. 4 hourly, we're in a downtrend. Kind of just rejected off VWAP. Daily, we're kind of just broke structure, change of character, whatever you want to call it. Weekly, still an uptrend. Bullish. So let's just go over this thing. 0.3 speed. So right now, market just opened. And we're kind of getting a push higher. Damn, bro. Rest. Kind of approaching this key level. Close out of EU. Did you get stopped out? Because I know you said you were in some profits today. Like this shit, this we're just static right now. No. Cut off all my friends. Got 30 points. Good shit, Jonas. Really nobody. That's what I look at. Like we're just, 'cause, like, 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 we're just, 'cause Another pullback. lower high, possible higher high. Like, look at that. Ever since this morning, these are low, lower, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Get in on the higher high, higher low. That's what I see. Yeah, bro, I'm tired today. I don't know why. I think it's the gym, bro. That took me out. Ow. My wrist. I don't know what happened to it. But we're gonna stay here. We might get a later day move. Like, that's completely possible. We might get a later day move, and I guess we can see and wait for it. If we're getting a move, it's gonna be to the downside. If we're gonna get aggressive, we might get aggressive so long. But for me, I think we're gonna go up to Mike's level he had marked out. Someone else in my Discord also said something about. Gotta go. I'm gonna hop on stream if you want to do some back testing one day. I have a good one, Jonas. I appreciate you. Yeah, I'm definitely down. Just like honestly, whenever. Today I think I'm gonna do longer just to see. But for now we're just looking at what Spy's gonna do for the rest of the day. But have a good one, bro. Yeah, Nasdaq sold off. And look at that. And it just pumping. Like NQ, I would. If I gave my all, but I still would. But my struggle is to kind of find like my strategy. But I keep on saying that, but don't really put in enough effort to actually find one, you know? Like I had this VWAP indicator on. This is multiple time frames VWAP, and VWAP is just the weighted volume weighted average price is what it stands for. And like, look here, VWAP was low, kind of sold straight to VWAP, and went straight back through it. Here, we're kind of ranging within VWAP, bounced up. And here, we're just trading above VWAP the whole day, so that didn't really help at all. And here, what happens? We bounce off VWAP, we're lower. I want to try to use a volume indicator. Because I think we could see a sell off later in the day, maybe at some point. It's about to smack. There we go. Alright, now we're back. We're here for good. See, I was totally wrong on Meta or AMD. Yeah, every stock just like created a bottom today. Created a bottom today. And just went from there. I could see SPY sell off at some point later in the day. Get a massive sell off, but for now we're just okay. I like this. I like this volume. Kind of this volume. Anything that I could have done better? Um, wait for more confirmation could have been one, or more confluences. Like for me, like looking at this, if I'm taking a short, if I'm going short at any point in the day today, you'd want to go short right here, right? This is the biggest move to the downside. And for me to look at that and that to see that's exactly where I went short, like that isn't a bad thing for me. Like not a terrible trade for the downside. Like who knows? We could have just completely went, like got caught lower. That's why, like, if anyone criticizes your trading, saying like, "Oh, why didn't you do that? Why didn't you do this?" Like, bro, how how do you know? So like, you're just saying that because it happened. So we're starting to. This is what I was talking about. I could totally see us selling off here. Totally could see us selling off here. What about you, Eddie? Is there anything you could have done better? 2.46 risk to reward. You took your entry based on QQQs going to retest at level support. Should have waited for the confirmation of the red candle, but I wouldn't have said the trade was valid. I stopped out of the way. Yeah. Today, like so many people in my DMs want me to watch ICT 2022 membership. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. What isn't he like fake his shit? He doesn't actually trade. Yeah, that makes sense. See that, like, if you look at my video I just posted on Instagram, like, everyone just wants you to buy their course. You know, like, that's all they want. And they're going to market it to you as, like, this shit is easy. Like, yeah. But a lot of people do use this concept, but I might check out that mentorship today, and then watch all that, and then other than that, I guess. Do you have anyone you suggest I watch, or like suggest I watch or look at, Eddie? Because I definitely need to study. I like TJR trades. Like I watch all this stuff. Look up Iman Trading. I actually have looked him up, and that's kind of where I saw. Will I get like copyrighted? Trading decoded. Okay, I'll write that down. Will I get copyrighted for like reacting to someone's video? I just ain't trying to get like my channel taken down. Like I don't care if I make money. I just don't want to get my shit taken down.
If you think I'm a fraud and a scammer, go fuck yourself. Okay? That's as plain as I can make it for you. Fuck you.
ICT will say this video is BS, but what he doesn't want you to know is that he won't take any real action like suing for defamation, because everything you're about to see is 100% true with sources to all evidence. Every single defense
bro, I'll
of
check it
ICT
out.
and his trading concepts is thoroughly refuted later on.
I don't need to fake a statement. I don't need to have to do any Photoshop.
Most of you already know that ICT's big multi-million-dollar withdrawal was discovered as being photoshopped because he forgot to add a minus sign to the picture. Not only did ICT adamantly defend this withdrawal as being
Yeah, ICT's a scammer, I guess.
real and attack those who didn't believe him, but after he was caught, ICT then claimed he did it all as a joke.
I literally left the negative symbol off as a joke.
The man who deleted access to hide his account being down and the same man who photoshopped a withdrawal is here saying he doesn't need to photoshop anything, fake anything, or hide anything.
I've made so much more money teaching than I did trading. I can tell you honestly, you made that algorithm see my name more times than anybody else could have done it. And I thank you for that. I thank you for that, bro. My fucking kids are going to have a nice Christmas just from that alone. $250,000 fucking dollars in YouTube earnings, baby. Okay, have I made more money teaching and mentorship?
I also get copyrighted. I mean, I just don't want to get my like YouTube like channel taken down somehow. That shit would suck. But we're just finna watch the Marcus now. But I don't like his voice either. It's like I guess I have. Yeah, I'm gonna look up this boy, this man. I feel like so many people worship him too. Like literally anyone, everyone. They're like, oh, ICT, ICT. And like any video I've ever watched of ICT, he goes like, you cannot find this stuff anywhere. That's all he said. Right. No one else out here is doing it like this. Yeah, bro. Shut up. Yeah. For real, bro. Like, and if I'm gonna have a strategy, I don't want it to be based off of like ICT stuff. Because everyone uses it. Like, most people use it. So, like, what do you think's gonna happen after markets evolve? You're probably not gonna run off ICT concepts. It's probably gonna run off stuff like volume and stuff like that. Like, I don't want to have an ICT like trading style, you know? I guess I can incorporate some of the concepts like, oh, is this a liquidity sweep? Like, yeah, that's nice to know. Here we go. Might sellers be stepping through? $114K? Volume just picked up. Yeah, I didn't actually take a contract though on my demo account. This was just a trade idea I had. I was predicting we probably might get a sell off here. What happened? Broke structure, big candle, boom. You entered a put at 933. Yeah, that would have been a good entry. I've been stuck between $600 and $700 for my $1,000 account challenge. Kind of been frustrating, but feels like I'm so close. Yeah, bro. I mean, honestly, like, if you're at a point to where like you're kind of breaking even, like it may feel like demoralizing and it may feel bad, but like you're doing pretty good. Like if you're staying in that range. Yeah, I would say this was a pretty good entry. Damn. Bro, it's so cold here. Like right here is probably when I would like try to exit. Like I don't think this John going much lower. Unless if sellers can bring it back down, but shit. I'm trying to get a camera though. I think that'd be sick, because then I could use my mic that I bought. Yeah, like here I would exit, honestly. I just made a bottom. Respectful low. I feel like honestly, I don't know. I wish I would extend these a little bit longer. But it kind of just sucks it out of me, like just when I sit here in front of the camera for like 3 hours. But I don't know. Might just stay on. Just do it. Do it for the culture. Small waist, pretty face. Yeah, I mean it's definitely different though. Like when you're sitting in front of the camera though. Cause I have a lot to learn and I like to do that through YouTube. I gotta piss again, bro. Keep it rolling. Let's look at that 5 minute real quick. Kind of got a little sell off. Just be a lower high. Yeah, I don't know. There's some pretty smart people in the group. You have us to bounce ideas with. I guess you're right. I think it is best if I just stay on here. Cause I just don't want to. Cause I copyrighted. Yeah, I don't want to get that. Cause definitely came back up, bounced off of equilibrium. I feel like saw some buyers step in right here. There's a QQQ. Tesla, man, just consolidating. Yeah, I guess so. Meta, we did a nice little sell off, straight back up. I'm gonna clean up my watch list though. Like I feel like US 30 I wanna have at like this top area up here. Like NASDAQ, SPY, US 30. SPX. Can you explain what the Russell is? Because isn't it just about like 2,000 small companies in the U.S.? That's what it keeps track of. Is that what the Russell is? You want rate? You want rates the big indexes, the dollar, the VIX. Okay, that's what I thought. What's a VIX? The VIX goes up, market goes down. Because it is derived. Okay. Because it is derived from the price of XBX index options with near-term expiration dates, generates 30-day forward projection of volatility. Volatility, or how fast prices change, is often seen as a way to gauge market sentiment and in particular the degree of fear among the market participants. The index is more commonly known by its ticker symbol and often referred to simply as the VIX. It was created by the CBOE Option Exchange and is maintained by CBOE Global Markets. It is an important index in the world of trading and investment because it provides quantifiable measure of market risk and investor sentiment. It's a real-time market index representing the market. Now you're cool. You're cool. Investors use the VIX to measure the level of risk, fear, or stress in the market. The VIX definitely generally rises when stocks fall and declines when stocks rise. The more dramatic the price swings are in the index, the higher level it floats. Alright, so it's measuring market sentiment, and usually when this goes up, S&P goes down. When this goes down, S&P usually goes up. Alright. Yeah, I was overthinking that trade. I was in like right here. Yeah, that would have been a good trade to have. Then like I don't really need any of this. A Russell moves. There's no volume on the Russell. Yeah, that would have been a nice trade. Had I stayed in it and took it. I kind of thought out. I'm finna post my loss into the Discord today. Yeah. This would have been a really great trade. Biggest stocks in the S&P. Microsoft, Apple. Whatever. That boy bleeding. I think Weeble shows. Oops. All that. damn. Inputs at 472.52 on SPY, like that rejection off that level. Yeah, this is kind of just a trade that I put on. I didn't actually take it, but so I was looking at, and then I got scared when I saw this candle. Like that's on me. Like that's just too emotion. Like that's just too much emotion, honestly. But here I'm looking on Webull, and here is just the top options. Can you? Yeah, here we go. Gee, is this a S&P though? No. Oh, looks like this target could get hit here. Obviously, I would have like a trailing stop if I was in this position. I would probably trail my stop above this high. This little high probably at like the 1 minute, yeah. Like that, just so I would secure like some profits if I was in this. You know? Yeah, that's where I would have my, I would trail my stop up there. But this was looking like a good trade. It's a good catch. Usually we have like usually we've been having those midday moves. Kind of around 10 to 12 my time, so like 12 to 2 Eastern. Like if we look at the other day, yesterday, we had this midday move. 9:30 my time. Another one 11:30. What's this? 8:50. How does DXY affects DXY action history? Of the Indian what? Maybe I'll have to watch that later. Yeah, on this trade, could hit the take profit that it had set, but I didn't actually take it. I honestly should have though. I'll be right back. I've been running. Kind of just hit this low. Would be a good sell this position maybe. Doesn't. So you kind of just want to look if this is going down, maybe possibly SPY's going up. Okay. Whole gang big and like what we did. Yeah, that target's almost about to get hit. Very slowly. Very slowly and carefully. Someone just suggested.
Becoming a success.
Yeah, if this trade gets hit, I'll probably hop off live. Today's been a great stream, fantastic stream, bro. They only get better. In the future, I would love to have like more people speaking. You know, like that's the goal. I want like just me and like 2 other people that strictly trade when I'm trading, not like other people that like aren't trading when I'm trading. So it's hard to like follow along. But I would love to have like more than one person in here, especially trading exactly what I'm trading. One, have more eyes alert, more eyes seeing what I'm seeing. 2, probably have better trades, more profit, get more profitable. And then 3, like more entertaining, Like especially if one person's on here, it's kind of hard. But like my main goal, like I've said, like I've been saying, like I don't care how many viewers. I don't care like honestly, I really don't care. My main goal is to become profitable. That's what I want to see. What's good, Diego? How you doing, bro? Like my main goal isn't to get viewers, but like I think it would be better to watch if I had more than one person in here. Like I'm trying to get Colin. Colin said he's trying to find a different job. It's like every Friday it would be like that every day. I feel like that would be nice. That would be nice. About to hit this take profit on this trade. I didn't actually take this trade. I traded demo. I trade demo account. I didn't actually take this trade. This is kind of just a trade idea I had. And it turned out to work. And possibly might hit that. Yeah, I think we just hit that. Yeah, just hit that take profit on that trade too. That would have been a nice move to catch. Well, technically we did catch it, but yeah, it was a good trade. But I'm actually about to hop off stream. I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Like really, I actually do. I'm not just saying that to say that. Like y'all make the streams better, and like it's just I'm just so grateful. Because I remember when I was just streaming, there's like 0 people in here, 0 chat interaction. It honestly just makes the stream a lot better. But I'm gonna be back here tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's session is a little bit longer. Today was 3.5 hours. I want to try to extend them longer. But right now I kind of just have stuff I need to do. Friday streams will for sure be like the probably whole market day, just because I have Colin in there too, kind of just to interact with. But I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow, same time.